Good morning. So it's Thursday today. Just woke up. It's like 8 o'clock now. I think Nathan is waking downstairs. So we're just gonna go downstairs and make ourselves some breakfast and come back here and chill a little bit. Today I wanna start making laundry because I have sheets to wash and also lots and lots of clothes, like 2 weeks worth of clothes, and also hair laundry that I did. I need to fold and put it away. And yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today. And I'll also show you guys the final results of the purees that I made yesterday. I didn't get a chance to show you how they looked at the end because I was still freezing some. So that's what we're gonna do today. Hey, Rain. Hello. Look, what is that? Aisha. She likes playing with my nails. Aisha. Hello. Hello. So yeah, I'm about to get up now. I'm gonna go and make myself some breakfast. So I thought Nathan will be here, but he's not here. For sure he went to the office or he went to some meetings. But it's just the two of us and Mr. Backpack sleeping on the couch. So we're just gonna make mommy some breakfast. And let's just put the camera here. Oh, make some all brand. Beautiful. She will also make coffee. Oh my god, it's cold down here. Like upstairs is not as cold as here. Like it's freezing down here. Milk. I'm also gonna make myself like a cup of tea. I love this big mugs. I'm having some rooibos tea. Lots of sugar, like 2 tablespoons. Yes, I'm using this huge mug that I love. And some water. And fresh lemon. Oh, it smells amazing. Like rooibos with lemon, it's like the best combo. So we're gonna sit down here a bit, even though it's cold. Everyone has a blankie. Rain has her own blanket there, and I'm also going to put on her beanie. Yeah, it's cold. You have to stay in your blanket. So I'm gonna eat, and we're gonna see what we can watch here while I'm having breakfast. So I just got on DSTV, and there's a new show. I think this is Natalie and Olivia from Wags. It's like they have a reality TV show. Wow. IE, of course, because they're friends with the Kardashians. So, yeah, I think that's what we're gonna watch. Maybe like 3 episodes on DSTV.
So it goes by seniority. No, right to this right here.
Okay. So that's what I'm gonna watch. And then yeah. So someone was crying for no reason. So I decided to put her on my back. And now I am starting laundry. I'm just washing like bathroom mats, and some hand towels that we use in the bathrooms. So just chuck them in the washing machine. And I add some washing powder. 1 scoop. And fabric conditioner. I love Comfort. It's my absolute favorite, especially on baby clothes. Like, it smells amazing. Like, it's the best. So adding some of that, and we're gonna get this load going. Yeah, so while this is cleaning, I'm going to put this away. I didn't put it away yesterday. I don't know why. I need to put it away because I'm not gonna be using it for like a week. So here is the box. Chuck it in the box. And it actually comes with like because this can be used as a smoothie bowl. Like, you blend it and just put this lid on that you can drink from, or you can put the blender one and blend it, and then after that you can put this one and take it on the go. So it's like a nice juice bottle, like a shake bottle, or whatever you make. Like, we have this Vicks humidifier. I like to keep it here in the corner because it's like really, really strong, and it's the cold mist, and since you know it's winter now in South Africa, so it's really, really strong and amazing. And yeah, it's like the perfect thing to have when you have baby around. Like, it just wipes away the dust. Like, use it for like an hour, like plug it for like an hour, and then let it do its magic in the room, and then turn it off. I don't put it on like the whole night or something. And when I had flu like a few days ago, it actually really helped me a lot. I just used the humidifier, and also had like a cough syrup because I was coughing a little bit. Yeah, so if you're looking for a good humidifier, I highly recommend the Vicks humidifiers. I think you can get them from Dis-Chem. I always see them at Dis-Chem. I've never seen them anywhere else except for Dis-Chem. They're like super amazing. And you can use like different essential oils. So what we've been using is these Vicks Vapor Pads. And these are in rosemary and lavender. They're actually made for the baby, as you can see here. Pediatric. They're actually made for the babies. So you can use these pads for like a day and then refill it. But I keep it on maybe for like a week and then change to another one, and then once they are all used, I can start refilling them with like essential oils. But this is what we currently use, because if you just use it like that, it's like super duper strong, but it actually makes the baby sleep. Are you cold? Do you want a blankie? Are you cold? Are you cold, Bug? He's wagging his tail. He's so cute. So it's 10 o'clock. It's time for someone to eat her food. And today we're having carrots. So I'm just gonna pop this little guy in the microwave. I just took it out of the fridge. I'm just gonna put it in the microwave for like 30 seconds. Oh, you look so cute with your bib on. Are you ready for food? So she can't sit on her own. Obviously, I have to like balance her with this nursing pillow. But then she will like lean forward. Go back. So today is like the first time we trying carrots. Hopefully she will like them. Let's see. Come on. Yummy. Oh, seems like she's gonna like them. Oh, they're yummy, ne? Yummy carrots. Mommy makes yummy carrots. I didn't expect this. Yummy. You like your carrots? You see? So, okay, let me feed her and I will talk to you guys later, because she's like leaning forward. She's gonna end up with her head like hitting me. You're so cute. Right? So, here's all the food from yesterday that I made. And I love this Ziploc bags because you can actually write what's in here in a date, but I didn't do that. So we have butternut squash in here. We have apples, peas, carrots, and sweet potato. So it's all here. I think this will last us like maybe 2 weeks or a week. We'll see. I'll keep you guys updated, and next time maybe we'll do something different. But this is all that I made yesterday, but there's still some in the fridge that she can just eat from. Like those 2 are still full and 1 more there. So I want to teach her how to hold a bottle. So I just have like some breast milk here that I collected today from my haka, which is like a lot. Like all this was gonna go into breast pads, and it's like almost 3 ounces, like almost 90 milliliters. So I'm just gonna warm it up a little bit. It's still okay. It's like room temperature, but I'm gonna warm it up a little bit. I'm just using like this soup mug and put it here. I'm just gonna leave it here for like 5-10 minutes. So she does drink from a bottle, but like feeding her most of the time. So I want to try and teach her how to hold her own bottle. So that's what we're gonna do now. Just waiting for this milk to like warm up a little bit, and then we're gonna go back to your rocker and you're gonna hold your own bottle and feed yourself, right? Yes. Because she can hold a boob, like she can grab a boob and hold it and feed and put it in her mouth, but I haven't given her a bottle to like feed herself. Come on. She's doing it. Come on. Yes. Wow. You're doing it, baby. Yes. Wow, you're even doing one hand. Come on. I am a proud mommy. Yes, baby. Wow. Wow. Go, Rain. Let's see. Oh. You don't even want me to take over. Wow. Good, Rain. Oh. So. Wow. Wow. Look at that, you guys. Wow. You're holding your own bottle, baby. Yes. Wow. And like all this milk, I got it today. Like, how amazing is that? So we can do this every day, no? So, oh, you want more? Hold. Come on. No, you have to hold it yourself. Wow. They're playing games. What game are you playing?
Guild Wars 2.
Guild Wars 2. And this, my poor baby sleeping. Aww. So today I'm making some pasta. So I have water boiling in the kettle. And we're gonna start with the sauce. So I already chopped my onions. It's just like one full onion. So this is like the easiest. It's pouring some olive oil, some garlic, pepper, onion, salt, And for the pasta, we're gonna do macaroni. Then I have some mint. This is the final results. So easy. And I took out sweet potato for Rain, so I'll feed her when she wakes up. Just gonna close it a little bit. So someone is awake, ready to eat. So I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.